Be honest, how many times have you walked out the door and thought, did I lock it? This completely fixes that. This is the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock, and it replaces keys with something way faster, your fingerprint. Just touch it, and you're in. No digging for keys, no codes to remember. It recognizes your fingerprint from any angle, stores up to 100 fingerprints, and even lets you create custom passcodes for family, guests, or rentals. What I love most? You can control everything from your phone. Lock, unlock, check who came in and when. And if you want remote access while you're away, just pair it with the ULTRALOQ Bridge. It also auto-locks behind you, unlocks when you arrive, and has an anti-peep keypad, so no one can guess your code by watching. This thing is ANSI. Grade 1, built from zinc alloy, and IP65 weatherproof, so rain, heat, or snow don't matter. And installation? 10 minutes, 1 screwdriver. Once you switch to this, going back to keys feels outdated.